Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a photo available offline in the Dropbox app so you can access it anytime, even without an internet connection. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the Files tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you all your files stored in Dropbox. Next, find the photo you want to make available offline. When you locate it, tap the three dots icon right next to that photo. This will open a menu with several options. From that menu, look for the option that says Make Available Offline and toggle it on. By enabling this, your photo will be downloaded to your device and saved locally. This means you can view it anytime, even if you don't have Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once the toggle is on, Dropbox will begin downloading the photo to your phone. When the download is complete, you'll see an icon indicating the file is available offline, usually a small green circle with a check mark or arrow. Now, anytime you want to access that photo, just open your Dropbox app or your phone's gallery if it syncs, and you won't need an internet connection. This is especially useful when you're traveling, in areas with spotty connectivity, or just want quick access without waiting for a download. Remember, if you edit the photo while offline, Dropbox will sync those changes back to your account once you reconnect to the internet, keeping your files up to date across all devices. That's all there is to it. Just open the Dropbox app. Tap Files, select your Photos menu, and toggle Make Available Offline on. Enjoy hassle-free access to your favorite photos anytime, anywhere.